Welcome to Junca. Junca is an innovative technology company that aims to solve various challenges in the modern world. Headed by Dr. Hisayuki Nagatome, CEO of Junca Holdings and an honorary professor of Academic Union, Oxford, UK, in recognition of expertise in the field of finance. The word junca reflects Dr. Nagatome's belief in passion, as junca in Japanese means to bring back everything to its rightful and purest state. A change to become pure. Junca. Having its roots in Tokyo, Japan, Junca believes that the key to reaching the global market is in Asia. Nowadays, blockchain technology is being utilized in the global business scene. Junca also aims to tackle the digital market by utilizing the blockchain technology for business through the use of Junca Chain and Junca Platform. The Junca platform was developed to help strengthen the Asian economy and equalize the global economy through financial services, using the blockchain for various transactions such as international money transfer, currency exchange, on and offline payments, crypto service, and payments via ATM and credit cards. Junca successfully developed its original blockchain technology, the Junca Chain, a high-performance proprietary chain that provides reasonable transaction fees and reduced transaction speeds, and is being utilized for the Junca platform and can be integrated to various partner services in the future. By using the Junca chain, all transactions are immune to external influences, ensuring everyone a safe and secure, transparent financial transactions. Moving beyond the IT industry, Junca is also favored by the business community because of its expertise and vast experience in providing business advice through its consultancy service. Junca formed a strong partnership with SBC, Small Business Corporation, under the Department of Trade and Industry to further reach out and support the small businesses succeed. Junca is also a proud member of the International Council for Small Business, or ICSB, the first international membership organization to promote the growth and development of small businesses worldwide. Junca also helps achieve different companies to extend their reach to the global market in the most effective approach. Junca, together with PEZA, the Philippine Economic Zone Authority, under the umbrella of the Philippine Central Government, signed a Memorandum of Understanding to promote the investment in the economic zone where companies can experience various incentives to expedite their business expansion plan for different industries. Human resource in Asia is considered a precious gem. Junca believes that the young, talented individuals in Asia has the potential to change the economy for a better future. With proper training and experience, Junca believes that anyone can become a global leader. For this reason, Junca Human Resources and Services Incorporated was established in 2022 and is working closely together with TESDA, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, the government arm of the Philippines tasked to manage and supervise technical education and skills development. This collaboration will further strengthen Junca's initiative on establishing educational institutions, training schools, and provide scholarship programs as well. Junca Human Resources also caters to provide staffing internationally and also has its role as a placement agency in Japan to support the global needs of skilled workers. Junca also excels in the medical and cosmetic field. Junca Life Management specializes in utilizing technologies for health, beauty, and wellness. Junca Life focuses on stem cell technology and enhanced capacity of the natural regenerative power of the human body. Research and development is done at the Junca Bioscience Laboratory, where they also provide diverse solutions and services to promote natural health and wellness. Junca continues to help the society in different means, as Junca is always active in charity and humanitarian activities, organizing and supporting events to promote the effort of the government and private collaborations. Environment sustainability is also a main focus of Junca, as all activities of the group aims to help solve the social challenges, including the SDGs and zero carbon movement. Bound by its philosophy to solve the various challenges in the modern world, Junca is here to serve the community and provide its best efforts to make a world with purity to give people a better life. Experience a change to become pure. Junca.